Hey everyone, welcome to another edition to our CPC4 videos. This is our first CPC4 repair test video using our recently acquired 2016 Freightliner Cascadia. In this video, you can see we are taking a customer's CPC4 for a quick spin around our neighborhood to verify the CPC4 is fully working. While we are driving the truck, we have our diesel laptop system attached to the truck to monitor for any faults, other than our missing adaptive cruise control, which we had when we bought the truck. This module came back to us with a report it did not have any speedometer information, but as you can see in this video, all is working as it should. We programmed this module to our truck, so our end user will have to reflash the module when they get it back. ERD is a company that is never afraid to change and adapt. We've been in business for 27 years and will continue to do whatever it takes to get the job done. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe to ERD TV for more CPC4 updates.